Pause for a moment. Take a slow breath. This message found you for a reason. Not by accident, not by chance. Someone younger entered your life and changed something inside you. It felt unexpected. It felt confusing, but it also felt real. What you're about to hear is not about age. It's about souls. A younger soul was chosen to love you. A younger person did not come into your life randomly. They were drawn to you because your heart carries a depth they were quietly searching for. Age can describe years, but it cannot define connection. From the very beginning, something in you felt familiar to them. Safe, warm, grounding. They didn't fall for a number. They fell for your energy, your kindness, your emotional strength, your ability to love without games or conditions. You were meant to show them real love. Without trying, you showed them what love looks like when it's honest, calm, patient, respectful. Your presence became a place where their heart could finally rest. You taught them love by simply being who you are. They see the beauty others missed. They don't focus on your past, your scars, or your insecurities. They see your resilience, your softness behind strength, your courage to still love after storms. They see the real you, and they choose it. They came to gently heal you. You've carried disappointment from people who didn't know how to love you. This younger soul didn't come to fix you. They came to remind you, you are still lovable, still desired, still worthy of being chosen. Their soul is older than their years. Some people are young in age but ancient in spirit. They feel deeply, they understand silently. When they met you, something inside both of you recognized home. Your depth feels safe to them. Your emotional maturity doesn't scare them, it calms them. Your presence grounds them in ways they never experienced before. They feel seen with you, not judged, not rushed. You guide them, they light you up. You guide their heart with wisdom. They bring light back into your life. They remind you how it feels to smile freely again. This balance is why your connection exists. This love was meant to find you. Some connections ignore rules. They ignore age, timing, and logic, because destiny doesn't follow numbers. It follows energy. Your souls aligned, and that alignment couldn't be stopped. Must be listen the last message. The last message especially for you. Because don't be miss the last message. Listen, be carefully. Before you move on, let this settle in your heart. If a younger person entered your life and made you feel alive again, it was not a mistake. It was a reminder from the universe that your heart still matters, that love didn't pass you by, that your story isn't over. Sometimes healing arrives in an unexpected form, not to confuse us, but to awaken us. If they brought back your smile, your hope, or your sense of being seen, honor that, because real love doesn't ask for proof. It simply feels true. Thanks so much for watching the video, so please like, share, and subscribe the channel because this channel will grow with your support and you love. Thanks a lot.